Hello, and welcome to this lesson on how to write tongue twisters. What are tongue twisters? Tongue twisters are one of the funniest forms of wordplay. The more challenging they are to speak, the funnier they are. The following are famous examples of tongue twisters. They may be difficult to say. She sells seashells by the seashore. Tom threw Tim 3 thumbtacks. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Where she sits, she shines, and where she shines, she sits. A proper copper coffee pot was put by Potter. A big black bug bit a big black bear. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? A tongue twister uses alliteration, that is, words that have the same first consonant sound are used. For example, round the rugged rock, the ragged rascal ran. You'll notice that most of the words in this sentence start with the letter R. Let's give it a try. Read the sentence as fast as you can. She sells seashells by the seashore. Tom threw Tim 3 thumbtacks. A proper copper coffee pot was put by Potter. A big black bug bit a big black bear. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Where she sits, she shines, and where she shines, she sits. Now, guess which consonant sound is used in the following. She sells seashells by the seashore. You guessed it right. There is a recurrence of S. She sells seashells by the seashore. Tom threw Tim 3 thumbtacks. I'm sure you saw the repetition of T. Tom threw Tim 3 thumbtacks. A proper copper coffee pot was put by Potter. Did you notice how many P's there are in this sentence? A proper copper coffee pot was put by Potter. A big black bug bit a big black bear. This one is quite easy. The B sounds. A big black bug bit a big black bear. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Pay attention to the repetition of P sounds. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Where she sits, she shines, and where she shines, she sits. It's fun, isn't it? To write a tongue twister, just follow these steps. Step 1. Pick a consonant. Let's take the consonant C. Step 2. Think of a noun that starts with the letter C. How about cookies? Step 3. Think of a verb that starts with the letter C. We'll take the verb cook. Step 4. Think of an adjective to describe the noun with the same letter. Crumbly is an interesting adjective. Step 5. Think of an adverb that starts with the same letter. How about cheerfully? Step 6. Write down as many words as you can think of that start with that letter. The more alike they sound, the better. Think, think, think. Chocolate, chip, cat, Catherine, carefully, cold, chubby. Step 7. Make up a sentence that uses as many of your words as possible. Now let's see all the words starting with C that we have found. Cookies, cook, crumbly, cheerfully, chocolate, chip, cat, Catherine, carefully, cold, chubby. Catherine cheerfully cooks crumbly chocolate chip cookies for her chubby cat. Hilarious! I wonder how we'll say that aloud. Let's do it. Now, step 8. Read the sentence aloud and as quickly as you can. Catherine cheerfully cooks crumbly chocolate chip cookies for her chubby cat. It's fun, isn't it? Let's write some more tongue twisters together. Let's use the letter G. Here are some words that start with G. Noun, geese. Verb, graze. Adjective, grey. Adverb, gaily. More words, green, grass. You could put these together like this. 3 grey geese were gaily grazing green grass. Are you ready to have fun writing your own tongue twisters? Let's take the letter S. Try to create a tongue twister. Noun, swan. Verb, swim. Adjective, sweet. Adverb, sadly. More words, see, safely. You could put these together like this. The sweet swan swam sadly to the sea. Let's try another one, using the letter P. Noun, peasant. Verb, pleased. Adjective, pleasant. Adverb, peacefully. More words, place, pain, pale. Let's see what you can come up with. The pleased peasant lived peacefully in a pleasant place. Let's try last one with the letter W. Noun, witch. Verb, watch. Adjective, wacky. Adverb, warily. More words, walk, why, white. Let's try something else. Why don't we write a question? Here it goes. If two wacky witches were warily watching two watchers, which wacky witch would watch which watch? As you can see, we can even play on the meaning of words. Watch, verb to watch. Watchers, object which gives time. Now try writing a tongue twister by yourself. Step 1. Pick a letter. Step 2. Find a noun starting with that letter. Step 3. Think of a verb. Step 4. Look for an adjective. Step 5. Think of an adverb. Step 6. See if you can think of some similar sounding words that you can put together into a sentence. Step 7. Make up a sentence that uses as many of your words as possible. Step 8. Read the sentence aloud and as quickly as you can. Try this with several different letters and see which one is the hardest to say. Start by writing short tongue twisters. With practice, you'll get better and better at it. And eventually, you'll be amazing your friends with your tongue twisters. Have fun writing tongue twisters to twist your friend's tongue. Goodbye.